Ever find yourself staring at a blank screen, cursor blinking, and as those minutes tick by, you've written absolutely nothing? Or maybe you're so busy running your business that you don't even have time to sit down in front of the screen. If content creation is becoming your biggest business bottleneck, this video is going to change everything for you. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hurst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. But today, we're talking about something that affects nearly every business owner I work with: the challenge of creating consistent, quality content when you barely have time to breathe. Did you know that according to recent research, around 19% of businesses are now using AI tools to help generate content? And there's a reason for that. Content creation can be hard. But today I'm going to show you a powerful framework called content cycles that will transform how you approach your content creation, and then I'll show you how to supercharge it with AI. Let's be honest, creating content can be tough, but doing it consistently is even harder. You need to think about what your audience is interested in, what format would work best, and how to structure it, and then actually sit down and create it. And that's assuming you even have time in your schedule. As a business owner myself, I know how busy you can get. You've got clients to service, operations to manage, employees to lead, and somewhere in there, you're supposed to be posting regularly on social media, writing blog posts, creating videos, and sending out newsletters. It's no wonder content often falls to the bottom of the priority list. But here's the thing, consistent content is still one of the most powerful ways to grow your business. The solution I found that works incredibly well is creating content in cycles. A content cycle is when you split up all of the content you want to create into a specific time period, typically either 30 or 90 days. Instead of approaching your content day by day or week by week, you're taking a broader view and planning it out in advance. This isn't just about creating a content calendar, it's about strategically organizing related content around central themes. So let's say you decide to implement a 30-day content cycle. Here's how it would work. You choose one main topic for the entire month. For an example, if you're a financial advisor, your February topic might look like retirement planning for small business owners. You then break up that main topic into subtopics for your blog posts, videos, social media content, and email newsletters. For retirement planning, your subtopics might include something like this: common retirement mistakes small business owners can make, or tax advantage retirement options for entrepreneurs, or how to value your business as part of your retirement plan. You create a content calendar that specifies exactly what you'll create and when. This is going to include specific deadlines for writing your blog posts, editing the posts, publishing them on your website, creating social media posts that promote your blog, and sending emails to your audience. The beauty of this approach is that all of your content for the month revolves around one main topic, which gives you an incredible focus. You're diving deep into a subject rather than bouncing around, which makes the content creation much more efficient. Some businesses prefer 90-day cycles instead of monthly ones. The advantage here is that you can tackle broader topics and address several related topics in a quarter. Using a 90-day cycle is going to let you build more comprehensive content clusters for SEO or create more complex content sequences. You can develop a wider variety of content formats around the same themes, and you can plan more sophisticated promotional campaigns. For example, if you're a marketing agency, your Q1 content cycle might focus on social media marketing, with January focusing on strategy, February focused on content creation, and March with analytics and optimization. Content cycles are going to save you time in several ways. First, you're batching your work. Instead of just jumping from topic to topic, you're focusing on related content, which means less context switching and more efficient creation. Second, having one main topic allows you to repurpose content across different formats. That blog post can become several social media posts, part of an email newsletter, and even the script for a video like this one. Third, planning in advance means you never have to wonder what to create next. Your roadmap is clear, which eliminates decision fatigue. But beyond saving time, content cycles actually improve quality. When you focus on a single topic for an extended period, you can go deeper and provide more value to your audience. Your content becomes more cohesive, and your audience gets a more comprehensive understanding of the topics that actually matter to them. Now let's talk about how to make content cycles even more powerful by incorporating different AI tools. Here are some of the best AI tools that can help at different stages of your content cycle. For content planning and ideas, I recommend using ChatGPT or Claude. These conversational AI tools can help you brainstorm subtopics for your main monthly theme. For an example, you could prompt it: I'm creating a 30-day content cycle about retirement planning for small business owners. What are 12 subtopics I could cover? And then I also recommend using something like SEMrush AI or Search for SEO. These tools are going to analyze top performing content in your industry and identify the content gaps. This will help you play in the topics that will perform well in search. For content creation, I recommend using tools like Jasper or Copy AI. These specialized AI writing tools can help you create your first drafts, blog posts, social media captions, and even newsletters based on your content cycle themes. Canva is a great one for graphics. Their AI design tools can help you create visuals for your content cycle, including social media graphics, blog headers, and more. For content repurposing, I recommend tools like Descript. This tool can help you transcribe your video content into text that you can repurpose for blogs or social media posts. Another tool I like to use as well is Opus Clip. This tool can take long-form videos and break it down into shorts and reels. Let's look at a practical example of how this might work. Say your monthly theme is email marketing strategies. You use ChatGPT to brainstorm subtopics and come up with 8 potential blog post ideas. You then use Surfer SEO to validate which topics have the most search potential. Next, you can use Jasper to create the first drafts of your blog posts and email content. Then you need to refine these drafts, adding your personal insights and experiences into it. After that, you can use Canva to create accompanying graphics. And then finally, you can use Script to turn your blog content into scripts for short videos, which you can publish on social media. By combining these content cycles with AI tools, you're not just saving time, you're creating a content engine that can consistently produce high-quality material across multiple platforms. Here are some practical tips for implementing content cycles into your business. First thing you want to do is start with a content audit. Before planning your cycles, review your existing content to find gaps and opportunities. You can align your content cycle with your broader business objectives. Let's say you're launching a new service in March. You're going to want to make that new service your content theme for February. I highly recommend creating templates. You can develop templates for different content types to streamline the content creation. Next, I highly recommend you set aside a dedicated creation time. Block time in your calendar specifically for content creation. Many find that batching content and creating all social posts for the month in one day works well. As you create content, organize it in a way that makes repurposing easy. Anytime you're doing something new, make sure that you measure it and then adjust it as needed. At the end of each cycle, review what performed well and use those insights to plan your next one. If you want to create content more consistently for your business, I'd encourage you to give content cycles a try. Start by planning your next 30 days of content around a single theme and see how much easier it becomes. And if you want to learn more about integrating AI tools into your content strategy, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more practical business growth tips. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What is your biggest content creation challenge? Is it finding time, coming up with ideas, or something else? Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even implementing a simplified version of content cycles will help you create more consistent content with less stress.